Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another fresh episode of Mobile Funda's Top 5 HyperOS theme you must have in this week to customize your Redmi and Poco devices to the next level. So without any further delay, let's see what these themes are and how to customize them. By the way, if you like this theme, then don't forget to hit that like as well as the subscribe button so you won't miss Mobile Funda's pro customizable themes in the future. Friends, if we talk about these top 5 best HyperOS themes, then as usual let's start from the lock screen, and the theme we are going to use is Free Canvas. Then tap on this customize icon and select the wallpaper by tapping on these options. Now it's time to customize the lock screen, and for that you have to go to your lock screen and slide on this bar and adjust the clock according to the wallpaper. Now let's move towards the home screen, where we will first talk about the icons, and for that we have two themes. First is the mixture of HyperOS 3 plus iOS style, and this icon pack will be loved by those users who want HyperOS 3 flavor but with more vibrant nature. By the way, if you want to use the same icons in dark mode, then simply enable the dark theme. Means you are getting the two icons in a single theme. And to apply these icons, you have to apply this theme, the artistic conception of chaos, as an icon. But if you want something hotcake compared to normal icons, then you will definitely love the second icon pack, which is based on Xiaomi SUV7. And the graphics of the second icon pack is simply top notch, which you can clearly see on the screen. And to apply these icons, you need to apply this theme Xiaomi SUV7. Now let's talk about the home screen widget, which appears in a big size with multiple color layout. And this widget is for those users who want something big in top left position. By the way, if you are fond of dark type wallpapers, then this clock widget will surely enhance your home screen look. And to apply this widget, you have to apply this theme Rose Shadow B15 as a favorite tray or as a home screen. Now it's time to look at the control center. Then here the control center will appear in this layout, where the toggles appear with a liquid glass effect. But the main highlights of this control center is the color combination, whether it's a music shortcut, brightness bar, or maybe the volume bar, which really enhances the look of this control center to the next level. And with this control center, our today's Mobile Funda's top 5 best HyperOS themes you must have in your Redmi and Poco devices came to end. Rest you will get the wallpapers on our Telegram channel. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's themes. If yes, then like this video and also share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe Mobile Funda for more such amazing themes in the future. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.